My name is Grant Inge, and I'm with Inge Dry Ice Cleaning. We're here at Bluegrass Motorsports, and this is the next car that they're going to enter in the contest. It's a 1977 Porsche 930 Turbo. We just did an 87. I'll have to make sure.
Proceeding with the dry ice cleaning first will allow us to do a further inspection of the vehicle. It shows the real condition of the components. This will give us a better perspective on what needs to be replaced or restored due to time and wear. Pull the powertrain out of it, throw it as a rolling shell, get it dry ice,
Yep.
and then bring it back and then we'll strip it down from there.
I think of the dry ice process somewhere between sandblasting and pressure washing. So there's a few different things going on. There's the inertia of the ice. There's the that's just blasting anything loose off. There's the coolness, which when something gets cold, it's liable to shrink up. We're shrinking off the cosmoline. And then there's just the air itself that's removing anything that got cold, shrunk, and it's blasting off the surface. One of the benefits of using this on a classic car is that it gets rid of the crud. There's no chemicals, there's no water, and it doesn't damage the thing that